guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a fun Easter spring unboxing. This is from Magical Mixery Store. Thank you, Sarah. So many goodies, and I'm gonna jump right in. This first package, I have these cute little peep containers. Look at these. Look at this little bunny one and these test tubes. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look how fun. Oh, so she did like a little St. Patrick's Day. It has little rainbows and 4-leaf clovers in there. And then the top of the tube is a little clover, bunny, and a peep. Or chick, I should say. This one has like little peeps inside of it. So cute. And this one, of course, has little chicks and like cracked eggs. Oh my gosh, those are so cute and perfect. They match perfect with the little top pieces. This cute little bunny container. Oh my gosh, look at these little bunny heads, these little polymer clay bits in like different sizes, like the heads. And then she's got cute pink, green, and I think that's purple. Blue, like a blue, periwinkle blue. Super cute. So she's got a fun like pastel mix in here, and the little polymer clay bits are tiny little peeps in pastel colors. She's got silvers, blues, pinks, cute little dewdrop thingies. So cute. Okay, so that's the blue one. And then the cute little pink one. Look at these little chicks. It's like a little side profile of a chick. Super cute. And then here's the egg. So it's kind of like that sequin mix with the little cracked eggs, but these are much bigger little cracked eggs. So cute. Purples, pink, blue, white, yellow. Gorgeous, gorgeous mix. You got your mojo back, girl. And then this first organza bag, you guys, look how cute these are. These are like little tulips. I've never seen these. Look how gorgeous. Those are so fun. And then this one, we've got cute little, I don't know what style of flower these are, but they are pink with the yellow center. Guys, look at these are like an iridescent, tiny little bunny head. And they have like somewhat of a shimmery glitter on the inside. Those are so cute. And I love the like sheen and color of these. So cute. Here is a green version of these pink ones with the yellow centers. These guys, look how cute these little iridescent with like a blue AB finish. These little bunny heads are. Easter bunny heads. So cute. Like, look at these bunny, they're like little bunny ears with a bow. So cute. So here it is on my ratchet nail. So cute. I love. So dainty and adorable. Next we have the cute little pink bows, and it does have like a little loop at the top like a charm. So got those guys. Look how adorable. They almost look like sugar cookies, like the way it's outlined in the pink, and the little bunny is winking. Next are these super cute little pink flowers. Flat back cabochons with a little like super dimensional pink, darker pink center. We've got these fun daisies. These are great for like, you know, strawberry themed swaps as well, because there's lots of flowers, and I feel like a little ladybug would be perfect on these cute little daisies. So cute. And then there is a pink version with the yellow center as well. So those guys. Oh, and a green one. Like a really pretty mint color. And then, oh, these tiny little flowers. Super cute. You get one of each color. And then we've got these cute little flat backs with the blue little bow. I love the detailing on the fur to make it look furry, you know? Look at these gorgeous flowers. Very dimensional, like each of the leaves is at a different height. So cute. I love those. And last in that package is these cute, they look almost like silicone, but they're not. Pink with the like little stem flowers. And in this little baggie, these look like charms. Look how cute. Look at these gold. So these are gold plated little carrots. Okay, so these are the fat, chubby carrots. And then she's got a skinnier, darker colored orange skinny carrot. And the like leaf is kind of like a little green heart. So cute. Got these cute little peeps, like little chick eggs. They almost look like a Tamagotchi. They're so cute with like the little feet sticking up. And look how cute these little bunny ones are. Again, it's almost like a sugar cookie, like the little bunny with his hands in the front and the little eyelet. These egg ones, no face or anything. It's just like a cute little egg with flowers. Love that. Ooh, look how pretty these are. Fruit swap theme, you guys. Look at how cute these glitter red cherry hearts, charms. Another great spring staple. It's a little honeycomb and then the bee, but the bee and this are in pink. So, so pretty. And we can't have spring without some ladybugs. Look how gorgeous. So the wings are like propped open a little bit and she has gold polka dots. So cute. Oh, look at these ones. These are little chicks, like with his little side profile with his little mouth peeping open. So cute. And this last bag, kind of like cabochon style. Ooh, these are a nice size. They're not too big. I have gotten bigger ones that are like too big. Sometimes I can't even use them. These are little flatback cherries in red. And they are a smaller size, not like small, but like the size of my thumbnail. Little puffy bunny heads. Pink, mint, green, aqua. And then we also have the puffies in butterflies. This would have been gorgeous. Let's see here. To add, like, I mean, I could still add, like I have a butterfly here. I could add like another element in like a different color. The little furry ones. Oh, so cute. Okay, so that's what you could do with stuff like this, you guys. 3 little pom-pom ball charms. So cute. So white, pink, and mint. And then these are like the pastel rainbow. Look how cute. Look like little, like a scary movie where they'd be rolling around and all of a sudden teeth and eyes pop out. They're super soft. Very, very soft and extra fuzzy. Ooh, can't wait to use these. Flower flatback cabochons are like a clear with the pink flower, like a brighter pink. I love that. And then we have these ones. I don't know if these are the same exact size. I think these might be different. Okay, so they're a darker pink. I showed a lighter pink earlier. This is the darker hot pink version of those. And then we've got these guys. They're like a clear but colored. So the back piece is like the colored part. Pastel flowers with a pink little center. Light pink and dark pink. Oh, look how fun. So same style and like the clearness of tulips and pastel colors. So pretty. And then look at these fat little bunny heads. They're thick. Little cabochons in a glittered pink. And they are bunny heads, you guys. So cute. And these would be perfect as a center of a bow. Love those. Oh my gosh. So many fun spring Easter goodies, you guys. Go get your hands on it. I'm sure they're already selling out because her stuff is just so, so cute. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, Sarah. I will leave links to categories down below and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.